Try one.
Try it. Pink one. Go.
With bean cake and a strawberry. Yummy. I'm always fascinated with Wagashi every time there's a display near the station. I always grab some of my favorite Wagashi because it's so cute, colorful, and delicious. In this video, I'm gonna show you the famous Japanese traditional sweets. In Japan, they call it Wagashi. Wagashi is typically enjoyed with a cup of green tea. Now here are some of my favorite Japanese traditional sweets. If you love juicy strawberries, sweet red bean paste, and chewy mochi, you will definitely love this. Hanami dango is a mochi dessert, comes in 3 different colors: pink, white, and green. It is typically enjoyed during cherry blossom season. Mitarashi dango is a soft glutinous rice ball with a sweet soy glaze, and it is a very traditional dish often served at festival as a snack. Warabi mochi is a popular sweets during summertime in Kansai region. Wow. Yummy. Wow. Red tea paste. Wow, creamy. Yum. Chestnut mango beans. Woohoo. $250, $700. これいくらですか？これは？
これは720円。700円。
はい、これです。
はい、ありがとうございます。
はい。すごいいっぱい美味しそうね。美味しそう。Soy powder, cornstarch, yummy. That one is strawberry top white cheese. kawaii. This one.
Try. Oh, they have different colors.
Wow, yummy. Okay, try one.
I try it. Pink one. Go.
How was it?
Good. You try.
Okay, I will try the pink one. Mochi siya, no? Like mochi. Not sweet. Yummy, guys.
Yummy.
You should try this.
When you are going to Japan, try this. How much is it?
It's only 700 yen, guys. This one with
Good for snacks, no?
caramel.
This is with
Maybe.
caramel, huh?
Let's try.
Let's try.
How
It's
is
not
it?
caramel.
It's caramelized sugar.
Some Japanese sauce.
Oh,
Some kind of kikoman.
oh. Magpatis.
Yeah. But it's good. And we have the big one. Go.
Try to open.
This one. This one with strawberry.
Yeah, with strawberry.
Oh.
Yummy.
Which one you like? Which color?
Pink.
Pink. Okay.
Let's try this one.
Pink, and how will have the yellow one?
Wow. Look at that. Not a sweet bean paste and a strawberry.
Oh. This one?
Yummy.
The yellow one? Yummy.
Not sweet, guys.
Same like tikoy in the Philippines.
You should try this. Masi. Masi.
Masi.
I hope this video will help you get to know all the different kinds of Japanese traditional sweets, so you will know what to order when you visit at any Japanese tea shop.